Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm excited because we have a new vendor today. First time on my channel, but if you've been on TikTok, I know you've heard of them. I haven't really seen too much of them on YouTube, but nonetheless, the vendor that I'm talking about is none other than Gorgius here. Real quickly, while I show you the contents that's going to come in your box, I want you to know today's video, I'm going to be showing you multiple ways of wearing this unit. So make sure you stay tuned to the end to catch all the deets. Let's go ahead and get into this unit. Now, one thing this vendor is known for is having really easy to install units. And when I say easy to install units, I mean just that. So this is the bag that the unit is going to come in, and this is the part and space. Now, I want you to know that this is a limited part and space unit for those who really don't like to deal with the lace. It's a T-part unit, so it means it's going to have about 2 inches wide down the middle, and the lace is going to be about 1 inch along the perimeter. Now, typically I co-wash my curly units, but since this is a throw on and go unit, I decided to let you guys see what the curls look like straight out the box. So the parting on this unit is down the middle, and straight out the box, these curls are really soft. I'm not really sure if it's coming across on the screen, but they're super soft. That was the first thing I did mention. So I'm going to give you a little closer look of what this part and space look like. So there is some adjustability where you can adjust the parting, but it's very minimal. But if you want to put it to the side, you could just twist it to the side like I did to wear it as a side part. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off of this unit. So now that the lace is cut, guys, I'm gonna just take my hot comb and slightly touch up on the roots just to get So as I mentioned, this is what the curls look like straight out the box. However, you guys know I prefer my hair to be bigger and have more volume. So I'm just going in with a big tooth comb just to comb these curls out a little bit. And you guys could probably see how soft this hair looks. It feels just as soft as it looks. That's one thing that really stood out about this unit. So now here's the comparison. The side on the right was without it fluffed up, and the side on the left was with it fluffed up. I like the side on the left, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that on both sides. And now I'm just kind of playing with the hair just to kind of get it to frame my face more. And this is the most basic of the basic installs for this unit. It's very pretty. These curls are fluffy, they're bouncy, and they're defined. And let's remember that no product was added. And these curls are gorgeous. Okay, I guess that's where they came up with the name for it. Gorgeous is so fitting because these curls are definitely gorgeous. Now I am going to take the tweezer and I'm going to pluck out a little bit of the hairline. I would have tweezed a little bit more had I planned on keeping this unit, but most likely this unit will be for sale on my website. But real quickly, let me turn around and let you see what the back of this unit looks like. This is a 16-inch unit, and as you guys know, since it's curly hair, it is going to appear a little bit shorter than it naturally would be had it been a straight unit because the hair is curled. So now I'm going to wet this hair so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like if you prefer to go for the wet look. Now, first I'm going to just simply only add water. I'm not going to put any product in his hair. So the hair on the right is the hair wet with only water, no product, and left is still fresh out of box, combed. And as you can see, the hair on the right appears to be longer because with it being wet, the curls are a bit more elongated, so it adds more length to the unit. And I'm just playing around with this unit and seeing different ways you can style it. Of course, you guys can get real creative and style it however you want. I'm just trying to give you guys some ideas. Now, this is a curly unit, so we do expect shedding when it comes to curly unit. However, I did feel like I got a little bit more than usual shedding. And I'm just showing you guys the amount of shedding that I did get so far with combing out this unit. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of product to the hair on the right that is already wet, just to see if there's any difference with adding the product as opposed to having the hair just wet with the water. And here's the results. The hair on the right is with the product fully dry, and hair on the left is with no product, fully dry. It's not really that much of a difference. I will say the hair on the left is maybe a little bit more puffy or maybe like fluffy, whereas the hair on the right is, the curls are slightly more defined. But one thing I did want to mention about this hair is that it dries really fast. I wish all my units dries as fast as this one does. It dries really fast, so that makes it even more convenient as a throw on and go. And again, I'm just trying out different hairstyles so you guys can have some ideas on different ways to style it. Now I'm going to add some of that mousse to the remainder of the hair, and I'm going to dry it just so you guys can get a complete look of how it looks. And as you guys can see, the curls are still gorgeous and they're still defined. They may not be as tight of a curl as it was straight out the box, but I really actually prefer this curl pattern a little bit better. Sometimes you'll get a curly unit and you wash it and then the curls just completely drop. So at least you know that's not going to happen when it comes to this unit. I did go ahead and I added some adhesive to the front of this unit so you can see what it looks like if you decide not to wear it glueless. I am actually in love with the curl pattern on this hair. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, as always, I'm gonna have everything linked in the description box down below. But guys, before we get out of here, y'all know I'm gonna need y'all help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave a name suggestion in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful fam, hit that subscribe button. We're family around here. You're not just a subscriber, you're actually fam. And while you're at it, go ahead and check out my lifestyle channel, Being Faithfully Asia. And until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.